Hi guys, so we're preparing for our online classes this week, and according to our syllabus, what we're doing this week is completing our 4th hour project on bonds and then reviewing for and taking exam 2. So if you look down under 4th hour projects now where it says corporate bond analysis, you now see this video that says watch this video to show you how to complete the assignment without Bloomberg. So you would click on here just like you would to normally see the assignment, and you can see that there's now 2 Word documents posted. The second one is the one that I used when I made the video, and that's going to give you the link where you can find this information without Bloomberg. It's also going to show you a little bit about, some of the differences and why Bloomberg is so beneficial, because in order to find some information here, we needed to look up some extra stuff, which is kind of frustrating. Whereas in Bloomberg, it just gave us all that information. The other thing that you're going to need to be doing is obviously taking your exam. So we're going to scroll down here to our class, and you have a whole bunch of exam review material. You have the formula sheet, the topic sheet, the sample exam Jeopardy, sample exam keys, one for just the multiple choice questions, which, gives some explanations for the additional answers, and then the the worked out problems in Excel. And then because we're taking this exam on Moodle, things are going to be a little bit different. So I gave you a little practice exam here. So I'm going to open both Moodle and my practice exam that I have right here. So when you go to take your actual exam, it will ask you to make sure that you have your formula sheet open and that you also have Excel open. It's going to be open book, open note, but you really need to know what you're doing because you only have the same amount of time as you would have had during the actual test. So, you're not going to have time to be going ahead and examining a bunch of stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to preview this quiz, and this would allow me, so this is an example of what would happen if I were to have my actual exam open. And you can see for the open-ended problems, any of the problems that I'm asking you to solve, you'll see the question and then you'll have space here to include your answer. So what I would do, I think this is question 1, from my sample exam, I would take my answer that I have in Excel, and I'm going to copy and paste that information directly in. So I would just take all of my work that I have in Excel, copy it, Control-C, and Control-V to paste that information directly into Moodle so I can see all of your Excel work. Now, Moodle doesn't allow you to highlight this. You can go in and bold your answers if you want, so I can click there and click bold, but that's as close as I can get. As long as your work is decently organized, I will be able to find it. So for the multiple choice questions, everything's going to be relatively easy, exactly as you would expect, just like taking a quiz on Moodle, but when it goes to entering any of the Excel-based things, it's going to be a little different, and this is going to show you how to do it. So at the very end, after you're done with everything, you're going to click Finish Attempt, finish and submit all, finish and submit, confirm that you want to submit everything, and then it shows you how it is submitted, and that's how you'll take your test. So where is that test? All right, you can go right back up here, and it's right at the top. So you will only be able to take this test once. Don't open it until you're ready to do it. Make sure that you have your formula sheet and Excel open before you start. Cut and paste your Excel work into Moodle, and make sure you practice this as many times as you want on the practice exam that I have down there for you under exam 2. So that should give you all the information that you need to complete this stuff online, and good luck.